Welcome to Top Wash Laundry, Houston's fastest laundromat experience. We are dedicated to being clean, quick, and reliable. Embrace the luxury of time with our drop-off service. Reclaim valuable moments from the laundry routine. Time saved and spent on what truly matters to you. We offer a high-quality wash, dry, and fold service because your time matters. You drop off dirty, we pick up clean, all in and out in just 2 minutes. Our ultra-clean facilities feature 88 brand-new machines, including 44 washers and 44 dryers in all sizes. We also offer comfortable seating and a dedicated kids area. We use state-of-the-art washers and dryers with smart, wrinkle-free technology. Enjoy high-speed extraction for faster drying and commercial-grade precision for comforters and rugs. Our process for same-day and next-day service is simple. Drop off your dirty laundry, we wash and fold everything, and text you when your laundry is ready for pickup. Our fully staffed, professional attendants follow your specifications. Whether it's custom folding, special detergent requests, or careful garment handling, our goal is a frictionless experience from start to finish. We offer convenient payment options, free Wi-Fi, a dedicated kids zone, and drink and snack vending. With Top Wash Drop-Off, you spend just 2 minutes, gain smart, wrinkle-free quality, and benefit from the most competitive prices, leading to the luxury of free time. We are a family-owned business, Houston's top laundromat, with a 4.9-star Google rating and 100% satisfaction. Our customers praise our kindness, speed, and great results. Experience the fastest, cleanest, and most reliable laundromat in Northwest Houston. Join our mailing list today and get your first wash free. Happiness starts with a Top Wash. We are open now under new management, making it easy for you to get in and out with ease. Contact us today.